Use this hair treatment once in a month and the result will amaze you. Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. My name is Goodness, and on this channel I like to make DIY videos around natural hair and natural beauty remedies. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you this simple natural hair treatment that will help to strengthen your hair, nourish your scalp, and promote hair growth. This hair treatment is so easy to make, and you may already have all the ingredients right in your kitchen. So go ahead, subscribe and be part of this amazing community. Do not forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comment section as we dive right into the tutorial. So to make this hair treatment, we need aloe vera, and here I have my aloe vera, and I'm going to be using a small piece or a small portion of this aloe vera. I am making a small quantity of this hair treatment for my daughter's hair, and this portion will be enough for her hair. But if you have a large volume of hair, then you may need to increase the quantity of aloe vera you're going to be using for this treatment. Now I'm using aloe vera in this hair treatment because aloe vera is very moisturizing to the hair. It will also help to nourish her scalp and get rid of any scalp concerns such as dandruff, itchy scalp, and promote a healthy hair growth. Aloe vera is very great at also detangling hair, so using this in this hair treatment will also help her hair to be well detangled. It will help to remove tangles and knots, and also make it easy for comb or any hair to glide through her hair easily. Now before you go ahead to scrape out your aloe vera juice, you want to make sure you properly clean your aloe vera very well. This is to remove any toxin or aloe on the aloe vera that may cause itchy scalp or cause any form of itchiness on the skin. So you want to make sure you clean your aloe vera properly, and I have a video on the channel that can guide you on how to properly clean your aloe vera. I cleaned my aloe vera off camera before scraping out the gel. Next ingredient I'm going to be using is avocado. Avocado is filled with lots of nutrients, lots of vitamins that are great for our hair. It has a lot of nutrients including biotin that can help to nourish and promote fast hair growth. So here I'm using half of my avocado, and you want to use a fully ripe avocado. So here I have my avocado and my aloe vera, which I'll go ahead to blend them together. Now you can simply choose to put all these ingredients right into your blender and blend right away. I decided to use my hand blender just because I feel like it's small, it's not much. And I am also going to be using egg. I'm using egg in this hair treatment because I want this to be a form of protein treatment. I want to introduce protein into her hair, and so I'm using just one full egg. You can actually choose to use only the yolk, but I'm using everything. I'm using the yolk and the white together. So I'm going to blend everything right away, and then my hair treatment will be ready. So here everything fully combined, and I'm going to strain it. Alright, so it's also necessary to strain it because you don't want particles from aloe vera or avocado to get stuck on the hair. It can be a little stressful to get them out of the hair, so I want to make sure that this hair treatment is as smooth as possible, and you don't want any particle locked up in the hair. So here we have it. You can see this tiny aloe vera and avocado particles that have been strained. So now we have a smooth paste, a smooth hair treatment. I'm going to go ahead and add oil. You can choose any oil of your choice, but here I'm using a hair growth oil actually my DIY hair growth oil, which I made on this channel. I'm using just a teaspoon of it right into the hair treatment, and once everything is fully combined, this hair treatment is ready and you can go ahead to apply it on your hair. Next, I'm going to share with you a simple tutorial on how I apply this on my daughter's hair. So basically, I like to wash her hair a night before. So here I have washed her hair a night before, and I decided to stretch her hair. I actually stretched her hair using African thread. So here I portioned her hair into 4, then stretched it with African thread, which I'm going to loosen up, then hydrate her hair with water, and then go ahead to apply this hair treatment. So as you can see, I'm applying every part of her hair from the tip to the root. Every part of her hair needs to be fully saturated with this hair treatment. Also remember that you want to hydrate your hair before applying this hair treatment so that the hair shaft can open up, can easily absorb the hair treatment. You do not want to apply this hair treatment on a dry hair, and you also do not want to apply this hair treatment on hair that is not washed. You want to wash your hair before applying this hair treatment. That way your hair is clean, your hair shaft is open enough to absorb the nutrients right in. Alright, so once in a month you need to apply a hair treatment like this to help strengthen your hair, nourish your scalp, and also help your hair to retain length. Using this kind of hair treatment will help your hair to retain length and reduce hair fall or split ends or any form of hair loss. This will help to regenerate hair, restore damaged hair, and keep your hair healthy. So if you're experiencing hair fall, hair breakage, split ends, or hair loss of any form, then you need to start applying this treatment on your hair at least once in a month to restore your hair and also maintain a healthy hair. And even if your hair is healthy, using this treatment will also maintain its health and you will enjoy a healthy natural hair journey. So I hope this video encourages you to take good care of your hair. Use natural ingredients such as these ingredients that are that have no chemicals in them to take good care of your natural hair, nourish your scalp, and enjoy a natural healthy hair journey. Alright, so after saturating my daughter's hair with this treatment, I want to make sure I massage her hair thoroughly so all the ingredients will get right into her hair. So you want to take your time, massage this treatment right into the hair, and also use the same opportunity to detangle hair gently. Here I'm not using any comb or brush, I'm just using my fingers to finger detangle, massage the treatment right into her hair. And I'm going to be covering her hair with a plastic wrap. I'm going to leave this treatment on her hair for 30 to 40 minutes, for 30 to 40 minutes, after which I'm going to rinse it off, then wash her hair with a conditioner. Then I'm going to apply a leave-in conditioner and apply a hair butter or a hair grease, and then give her a beautiful protective hairstyle. Alright, so if you have not subscribed at this juncture, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, click on the subscribe button, be part of this amazing community, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section and share this video with your natural hair loved ones. Also, don't forget to stay on this channel. I have lots of amazing DIYs and wellness videos, natural hair, natural beauty videos coming your way on this channel very soon. So stay on this channel and I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, do stay healthy, stay beautiful. Don't forget to make out time and show your natural hair some tender, loving care. Bye-bye.